If you want to create blog posts, YouTube scripts, social media content, or even marketing copy in minutes, Poe AI can do it all in one place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate content with Poe AI step by step. First, open Poe AI in your browser or app and sign in with your account. Once you're inside, you'll see different AI bots ready to help you create content. Next, choose the right bot for your task. For writing content, ChatGPT or Claude-style bots usually work best depending on your writing style. Now click on a bot to open a new chat. This is where you'll type your request and generate content instantly. Here, the key, write clear and detailed prompts. Tell the AI exactly what you want, including topic, tone, length, and format. You can create full blog posts, outlines, or even SEO articles just by describing your topic. Poe AI will structure the content for you automatically. If you're a content creator, you can also generate YouTube scripts. Just specify the title, style, and length, and the AI will write it for you. You can also create captions, tweets, and short-form content for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook in seconds. If the output isn't perfect, just ask follow-up questions. You can refine tone, add detail, or shorten the content until it fits your needs. Once you get a good result, copy it and use it in your blog, videos, or marketing campaigns. You can even reuse and repurpose it across platforms, and that's how to generate content with Poe AI. Yeah, once you learn how to give clear prompts, you can create high-quality content in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and good luck creating with AI.